श्लोक नंबर 28. दीनानाथ हा राम कोदंडधारी,
दीनानाथ हा राम कोदंडधारी,
पुढे देखता काळपोटी थरारी,
पुढे देखता काळपोटी थरारी,
मना वाक्य निमस्त हे सत्य मानी,
मला वाक्य मस्त हे सत्य मानी,
नुपेक्षी कदा रामदासाभिमानी,
रूपेशी कदा रामदासाभिमानी,
दीनानाथ हा राम कोदंडधारी,
दीनानाथ हा राम कोदंडधारी,
पुढे देखता काळपोटी थरारी,
पुढे देखता काळपोटी थरारी,
मना वाक्य निमस्त हे सत्य मानी,
मना वाक्य मस्त हे सत्य मानी,
नुपेक्षी कदा रामदासाभिमानी,
रूपेशी कदा रामदासाभिमानी,
नुपेक्षी कदा रामदासाभिमानी.
रूपेशी कदा रामदासाभिमानी.
जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ,
जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ,
जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.
जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.
यह श्लोक हमें सिखाता है कि भगवान श्री राम दीनों और भक्तों के रक्षक है. वे इतने शक्तिशाली है कि स्वयं मृत्यु भी उनसे भय खाती है. हमें श्री राम के प्रति अटूट विश्वास रखना चाहिए और बिना किसी अपेक्षा से उनकी भक्ति करनी चाहिए. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Harshit Patil, standing before you to lead today's morning assembly. Idiom makes our language more beautiful and attractive. For that, I would like to call Arshil Jamadar from grade 4 to tell us idiom word.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arshil Karim Zakir Hussain Jamadar. Today I am going to tell you today's idiom. Today's idiom is wear and tear, meaning damage due to use. Sentence: my favorite old jacket now showing sign of tear and wear. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Arshil, to share us with such an interesting idiom. Vocabulary. Let's enhance our vocabulary with the word of the day. For that, I would like to call Vihan Kaundade from grade 3rd.
Good morning everyone. My name is Vihan Deepak Kaundade from 3rd standard. I am going to tell you today's vocabulary of the day. Today's vocabulary of the day is compost. I spell my word COMPOST, compost, meaning a mixture of used and manure used to improve soil. Sentence: she packed some compost into a bag. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning everyone. Now it's again a matter of pride for Shraddha School of Excellence as one of our student Rajveer Govinda Latne has got a consolation rank in 14th in the state level abacus competition 2025. I request Principal Sir to honor him with this medal.